This goes out to someone that was one the most important person in my life. I don't realize it at the time. I can forgive myself for the way I treated you, so I don't really expect you to either. It just I don't even know. Just listen. You're the one that I need, the one that I gotta have just to succeed. When I first saw you, I knew it was real. I'm sorry about the pain I made you feel. That wasn't me, let me show you the way. I lose for the sun, but it's raining today. I remember when I first looked into your eyes, it was like God was there, heaven in the sky. I wore a disguise cause I did not want to get hurt, but I did not everything worse. You told me we were crazy in love, but you did not care when push came to shove. If you love me as much as you said you did, then you won't that not have hurt me like insane. Now you push me away like you never even knew me. I love you with my heart, really and truly. I guess you forgot about the time that we shared when I will run my finger through your hair. Late night, just holding you in my arms. I don't know how like you do, you're so wrong. I really wanna show you, I really wanna hold you, I really wanna know like no one else could know you. You're number one, always in my heart. And now I can believe that our love is torn apart. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you cause I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you cause I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. And then you're gonna sit and play with your new man and the sailor loud at you holding his hand. The thought of that just shattered my heart, it breaks in my soul and tears me apart. A time was off, I was scared to show you. Now I wanna hold you until I can hold you. Without you, everything seems strange. Your name is forever planted in my brain. Damn it, insane. Take away the pain, take away the hurt, baby. We can make it work. What about when you look to my eyes, told me you love me as you hug me? I guess everything you said you're right. I think about it, brings tears into my eyes. Now I'm not even in your thought, in your mind. I can see clearly my love is not blind. Need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you cause I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. I need you and I miss you and I want you and love you cause I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. I just wish everything could have turned out differently. I had a special feeling about you. I thought maybe you did too, you understand. But no matter what, you always be in my heart. You always be my baby. Our first day, it seemed so magical. I remember all the time that I had with you. Remember when we first came to my house, you looked like an angel wearing the blouse. We hit it off, I knew it was real, but now I can take all the pain that I feel. Reach in your heart, I know I'm still there. I don't wanna hear that you no longer care. Remember the time, remember when we kissed. I don't think you'll do me like this. I don't think you do wanna see me depressed. I thought you'd be there for me, this I confess. You said you were my best friend, was that a lie? No, I'm nothing to you, you had another guys. I tried and I'm trying, and now on the inside I feel like I'm dying. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you cause I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you cause I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. And I do miss you. I just thought we were meant to be, I guess no. We'll never know. The only things I want is for you to be happy, whether it be with me or without me. I just want you to be happy.